Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer hard money deal records using LendingHome step by step clearly. To transfer hard money deal records using LendingHome, begin by logging into your LendingHome account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Deals section. Click on Deals to access your current and past transactions. Find the specific hard money deal you want to transfer. Click on that deal to view its detailed information. Review the deal details to ensure you have selected the correct one. Next, look for the option to export or transfer records. This option is typically found under the Deals action menu. Once you locate it, click on Export or Transfer Records. Choose the format in which you would like to export the data, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm your selection and initiate the export process. The system will prepare the documents for download. Once ready, a download link will appear on your screen. Click the link to download the file to your computer. After the file has downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Open the file using Microsoft Excel or your preferred spreadsheet software. Verify that all necessary data has been correctly transferred. If any adjustments are needed, make them within the spreadsheet. Once satisfied, save the updated file. To finalize the transfer, share the file with relevant parties as needed. Ensure all stakeholders have access to the updated records for their review. You have now successfully transferred hard money deal records using LendingHome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.